Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Evelyn. I'm one of the beauty influencer. I do makeup videos, product reviews and all that other jazz. So in today's video, I'm actually going to review something which is fairly new to me. I have been using something like this before, but this particular brand is very new to me. So today I'm going to show you guys a full review of this TTDEYE colored contact lenses. I have 4 sets of lenses in this box. So as you can see, so this is the box. It has 4 different colors. I have a blue, deep honey, green and gray. No, not gray, purple. And this whole box comes with its own carrier case where you can store your lenses. And also I already have one box open, so I can show you exactly. The box has, of course, the lens case where you can store your lenses. It also has a tool to pick your lenses up, so you don't have to like use your hands and making your lenses dirty and all that. And also has a tool which is fairly new to me. I am a chicken when it comes to applying lenses. I'm not, even though I've been using them for a very long time, I still can't do the lenses without looking really close to the mirror and everything. But this actually comes with this little tool as well, where you place the lens. You see it, if you just place the lens and you literally just pop it into your eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all the colors I got and also how it looks on my eyes. I have a very dark brown hazily eyes. Sometime in sunlight they look gray, sometime it looks hazel. I have a very unique eye color. So right now I'm wearing my glasses because I have a prescription. I can't see far. Luckily they actually send me all the lenses in my prescription, so I can actually wear them if I want to wear them on daily basis. It's no problem whatsoever. I can just manage my daily life without wearing glasses. So each of these lenses are available in prescription and without prescription, so which is amazing. All the details regarding the company, the colors, discount code, everything will be mentioned in the description box below. So do check out the description, the whole description, to see the colors, the discount code and their full website link, everything. So everything will be mentioned in the description box below. But I'm gonna try to keep this video short so you can see how each and every color is looking on my eye color, and then you can decide from there on if you want to select any color or you want to get it or whatever. So I'm gonna start with the color which I already opened, and that was a deep honey. Now the deep honey shade was the only thing which I find it really annoying is none of the shade colors are written on the box. I was looking and looking to figure out which color it is, but I can't seem to find the color name on the box. So I have to kind of suss my judgment, thinking this must be brown, this must be honey, this must be blue. But it was like blue green, you can tell it's straightforward, but it would be really nice to have a shade name on the box too. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the first one, which I already opened it and have used it once. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how it looks on my eyes. I'm going to make the camera a little bit closer so you can see what's going on, how I'm going to apply it, what my natural eye color is, and how this color is looking on my eye color. So yeah, let's just start this review without wasting any more time. And thank you so much for watching. If you're new to channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I'm posting a video you will get a notification. I know it's not very often right now, but hopefully it will be. So there we go guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the review. So let's go in the review. So you guys are very close to me right now, which is fine because I want you to see my natural eye color. I'm gonna put my hair at the back, so I can easily do it. So this is my natural eye color, which is, as you can see, it's dark brown, hazily, and in like direct sunlight it really looks great. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the first one, which is Deep Honey. As you can see, this is the first one, and I'm gonna place this onto the actual tool which they gave to apply your lenses. Now I'm going to try to do this. I don't know how I'm going to do it because I usually do this very close to the mirror. Okay, so alright, so this is the first one, and as you can see, this is with the lens, this one is without, so you can see the color. So you can see my own eye color and with the contact lens. As you can see, right? Okay guys, so this is with both the Deep Honey color shade lenses. So this is how my eyes are looking right now, as you can see. So yeah, they're pretty. This one is my favorite shade by far, I have to say, because it is very, very pretty. It's very flattering on my skin tone. So here we go. That's the blue one. I'm gonna just stop and take the next one out, and I think next one, I believe we are going with pinkishy purple. So this is the next shade. As you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and take these one off, and then I'm gonna apply it. I'm gonna actually try to apply it off camera and show you guys how they look close up, because doing it on camera is not very flattering for you to watch, and my eyes are watering so much right now that it's unbelievable. So I'm gonna quickly do this off camera and then I'll show. Okay everybody, so this one is the pink one. I just applied it off camera. I'm just going to zoom the camera in for you guys so you can see the close-up how it's looking on my eyes. It's actually looking really, really nice. I didn't expect the pink one will, or the purple one will look this good on my eye, like on my eye color or on my skin tone, but it's looking really, really good. Let me just zoom the camera. Color. As you can see, it's looking super duper nice, very flattering. Okay, I only have one more left, and that one is green. So I'm gonna quickly go ahead and apply that, and then I can show you green one. Oh, sorry, the last one is the blue one actually. So this is the shade. So I'm going to quickly apply the blue one and show you guys how it looks on my skin tone. So there we go. Okay, so this is the last one, and this is the blue one. I have to say, if I have to pick, the blue is my least favorite, only because the blue eye contact lenses, colored lenses, never ever suited for me. I tried many other brands in the past as well, and it's just not the flattering shade for my skin tone. I feel like it looks very unnatural for a Asian skin tone to have blue eyes anyway. So, but this blue has never been my favorite, but they sent me one, so I'm gonna still show you. So I'm gonna do a close-up again. So this is the blue eyes. As you can see, it's looking very blue. To me, it's looking very, very blue. It's looking, I personally don't like wearing colored lenses if they don't complement my skin tone, because then you can, like, then it looks very unnatural. Then people can tell you're wearing color contact lenses. But for just to the try-on sake, this is the blue shade on my eye color. So this is how it's looking. So yeah, so this side is being a little all over the place. The makeup is coming off, but I hope you'll be able to see all the shades properly. It is a very good packaging. It's definitely worth the try, because it's for they're not that expensive, so definitely worth the try. I absolutely love the idea of receiving a pack which has everything I need to, from storing to cleaning to applying, everything. The tools which comes with it, if you are a person who don't like poking fingers or things in your eyes, you might love them. I used it, but I was not very comfortable. I still prefer applying the lenses with my finger. I don't know why. I washed my hands and I was just applying it with my fingers. I felt more comfortable. But definitely a good quality product, a lot of different color ranges. You get a discount. I think right now they have a sale going on and you can still use my discount code and get extra 10% off. Definitely worth a try. So I will highly recommend you to go check this company out if you are in the market for a hunt of a good colored contact lenses. And as you can see, the colors I showed you in this video, it gives you an idea how it will look on your eye color if you have a darker eyes too, and how it will look on your skin tone, or how it will complement your skin tone if your skin tone is very close to me or you are Asian and you just want to get an idea. So hopefully you guys find this review helpful. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask me in the comment section below. All the information regarding the website, the colors, discount code, everything will be available in the description box below, so do check out the description box. And don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button. Love you all, take care, bye.